Welcome back to SK Tech. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can block this kind of annoying notification from your Google Chrome browser. Alright, come let's get into the video. First of all, open up your Google Chrome browser and follow the instructions. Click on settings and then select privacy and security options and then click site settings. Under the site settings menu, click on notifications. In here you will see all the websites that you have allowed to receive notifications. Just follow these follow the instructions in order to remove these notifications from this highlighted website. So likewise you have to remove all the notifications from listed websites, okay? And also if you want to permanently disable all the notifications from any websites, what you can do is you can just select this option which actually do not allow sites to send notification. This will permanently block all the websites to send notification to your browser.